Welcome to where we journey beyond the stars to explore the most mysterious and awe-inspiring phenomena in the universe. You know, the kind of stuff that makes you realize just how much we don't know. Today we're diving headfirst into that cosmic ocean of mystery, venturing into the unknown to uncover some of the most bizarre and dangerous planets ever discovered. These aren't your average run-of-the-mill planets, mind you. These are worlds where the laws of physics seem to bend, and where survival would be a challenge beyond imagination. Imagine scorching heat, bone-chilling cold, and forces that could rip a planet apart. So, strap in, space cadets, as we explore the strangest planets in the cosmos. Prepare to have your minds blown wide open. Let's kick things off with a planet that throws everything we thought we knew about orbits out the window. I'm talking about Kepler 413b, a planet that dances to the rhythm of not one, but two stars. Now, we've all seen those iconic sunsets with two suns in science fiction movies, but this is the real deal, folks, and it's even weirder than fiction. You see, Kepler 413b's orbit isn't your typical elliptical path. It's more like a cosmic roller coaster, wobbling and shifting unpredictably due to the gravitational tug-of-war between its two parent stars. Imagine trying to walk a straight line when two large dogs are pulling you in different directions. That's Kepler 413b's daily reality. And if you thought Earth's seasons were extreme, buckle up. On Kepler 413b, the seasons are downright chaotic. The planet's erratic orbit causes wild temperature swings, going from scorching hot to freezing cold in the blink of an eye. Now, imagine the kind of weather systems that kind of temperature fluctuation would create. We're talking massive planet-wide hurricanes, the likes of which would make Earth's most powerful storms look like a gentle breeze. These storms wouldn't just whip up the atmosphere, they'd tear through it with unimaginable force, leaving a trail of cosmic destruction in their wake. And here's the kicker: Kepler 413b sometimes seems to disappear and reappear in the night sky. I'm not talking about some cosmic magic trick here, it's all about perspective. From our vantage point here on Earth, Kepler 413b's wacky orbit means it occasionally dips behind its parent stars, hiding from our telescopes for a while before popping back out again. It's like a cosmic game of hide and seek. And Kepler 413b is the master of disguise. But it's not just the disappearing act that makes this planet so fascinating. Kepler 413b is also a prime example of how much we still have to learn about the universe. Its strange orbit is a puzzle that astronomers are still trying to piece together, and every new discovery about this wobbling world challenges our understanding of planetary systems and the forces that shape them. Hold on tight as we blast off to our next destination, 190 light-years away, to a gas giant that puts even Jupiter to shame. This is HD 80606b, a planet so extreme it makes Kepler 413b look like a walk in the park. And imagine a world where a year is shorter than an Earth day, where you're either being scorched by the sun or plunged into the icy depths of space. That's HD 80606b in a nutshell. This behemoth of a planet has one of the most eccentric orbits ever observed. An orbit so elongated, it resembles that of a comet rather than a planet. Picture HD 80606b hurtling through space at breakneck speed, heading straight towards its star. As it gets closer, things start to heat up. Way up, its temperature skyrockets to over 1200 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt rock and vaporize metal. Then HD 80606b swings back out into the cold, dark void of space. This results in the most drastic temperature changes ever recorded on a planet. A swing of over 1000 degrees Celsius in just a matter of hours. Imagine going from a pizza oven to a freezer in the blink of an eye. That's HD 80606b. HD 80606b is a stark reminder that the universe is a place of both incredible beauty and terrifying power. Just when you thought we'd seen the strangest planets the universe has to offer, we stumble upon the Kepler 36 system, a place where planetary neighbors get a little too close for comfort. We're talking about a pair of planets locked in a gravitational tango so intense it makes the rivalry between siblings look like a friendly game. Imagine two planets, one a rocky world like our own, the other a gaseous giant orbiting their star in such close proximity that they practically graze each other's atmospheres. I'm talking about a distance of just 1.9 million kilometers, which might sound like a lot, but in cosmic terms it's less than 5 times the distance between the Earth and the Moon. Now picture these two celestial bodies whizzing past each other every 97 days. The gravitational forces at play are mind-boggling. It's like a cosmic tug-of-war, but instead of two teams pulling on a rope, it's two planets vying for gravitational dominance. And what happens when these gravitational titans clash? Well, let's just say it's not pretty. The immense tidal forces unleashed during these close encounters trigger cataclysmic events on both planets. We're talking earthquakes that make the San Andreas Fault look like a minor tremor, volcanic eruptions that dwarf anything ever witnessed on Earth, and the potential for entire seas of molten lava to form and reshape the planet's surface. Imagine standing on the surface of one of these planets, feeling the ground tremble beneath your feet as the other planet looms large in the sky. The air crackles with static electricity and the sky blazes with the fiery glow of erupting volcanoes. It's a scene straight out of a disaster movie. But this is no Hollywood fiction. It's the terrifying reality of life in the Kepler-36 system. But amidst the chaos and destruction, there's a strange beauty to this planetary ballet. It's a reminder that the universe is a place of constant change, where even the most seemingly stable systems can be thrown into disarray by the forces of gravity. The Kepler-36 system is a cosmic dance of death and destruction, a testament to the awesome power of the universe and the delicate balance that holds everything together. For our final stop on this cosmic adventure, we're venturing into the realm of the truly gigantic, to a planet so massive and majestic it makes Saturn look like a pale imitation. This is Super Saturn, a gas giant 20 times the size of Jupiter, adorned with a ring system so vast and intricate it boggles the mind. Imagine a planet so large it could comfortably fit 764 Earths within its volume. Now picture this behemoth surrounded by a series of rings that dwarf those of Saturn in both size and complexity. These aren't your average planetary rings, folks. We're talking about a swirling disk of cosmic debris that extends outwards for millions of kilometers, a celestial halo that shimmers and sparkles with an ethereal beauty. To put things into perspective, if these rings were placed around Saturn, they would stretch out to nearly the distance of Venus from the Sun. That's right. These rings are so vast, they would dominate our night sky, putting on a celestial show that would make the northern lights look like a dim flicker. But there's a catch. As awe-inspiring as these rings are, they're not permanent fixtures. In fact, they're slowly disintegrating, shedding their material into the void of space. It's like a cosmic sandcastle slowly being eroded by the tide, a poignant reminder that even the most magnificent structures in the universe are ultimately transient. As these rings break apart, they create an ever-changing landscape of cosmic debris. Imagine a celestial game of billiards with chunks of ice and rock colliding and shattering, creating a dazzling display of cosmic fireworks. These fragments, once part of a grand structure, now embark on their own journeys, some eventually raining down on Super Saturn itself, others drifting aimlessly through the cosmos. Super Saturn's rings are a stunning example of the fleeting beauty of the universe. They're a reminder that everything, no matter how grand or impressive, is subject to the relentless march of time. But even in their disintegration, these rings offer a glimpse into the dynamic processes that shape and reshape the cosmos, a constant cycle of creation and destruction that has been playing out since the dawn of time. From wobbling planets to scorching speedsters, from gravitational dances of destruction to disintegrating rings of cosmic grandeur, we've explored some of the most bizarre and awe-inspiring planets the universe has to offer. These celestial oddities challenge everything we know about the cosmos, pushing the boundaries of science and igniting our imaginations. Each of these worlds tells a story of extreme conditions and extraordinary phenomena, reminding us that the universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we could ever imagine. It's a vast cosmic ocean teeming with bizarre planets, each with its own unique story to tell. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of space. And as always, keep looking up. Who knows what we'll discover next? After all, the universe is full of surprises.